Hello and welcome you all. Today we will do some questions based on exercise 1.4 and 1.5. So our first question for today is write the interval -3, 0 in the set builder form. So as we know student that interval is a subset of a real number. So -3, 0 in set builder form can be written as x belongs to R such that -3 less than x less than 0 in closed curly braces. And here we will not include -3 and as well as 0 because due to open interval. And now our second question for today is write the set x belongs to R such that -4 less than x less than equal to 6 as an interval. So here we can write it as -4, 6 where at -4 we have open interval and at 6 we have close interval. Here we will not include -4 but we will include 6. Now our third question for today is if A is any set then A is a subset of A. State true or false. Since I have already told you that every set is a subset of itself. So yes, it is true that A is a subset of A. And now our fourth question for today is show that N and in a closed curly braces P and then bracket P and then again bracket P of phi equal to 4. So from here first we will solve the innermost bracket which is P of phi and now find the power set of phi which is equal to phi in closed curly braces. As you know that power set is the collection of all the subset of set A. We know that coefficient of P of phi is P. Now again we will find the power set of P of phi, comma in closed curly braces again phi and then again we have to find the power set of P of P phi. So here we can write all the subset of P of P phi which are phi and then in closed curly braces phi and then in double curly braces phi, comma phi dot in closed curly braces phi. So the total number of elements in this are 4. Now our fifth question for today is if set A equal to 4 to the power n minus 3n minus 1 such that n belongs to natural number and set B is equal to 9 and in bracket n minus 1 such that n belongs to natural number. Show that A is a subset of B. Now first we will make the set A. So set A is equal to 4 to the power n minus 3n minus 1 such that n belongs to natural number. Now on substituting the value of n which belongs to natural number. So let's say at n is equal to 1 we get 4 to the power 1 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So our first element is 0 and then we will write n is equal to 2. So 4 to the power 2 is 16 and 3 into 2 is 6. So 16 minus 6 is 10 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is our second element of set A. And now we will put n is equal to 3. So 4 to the power 3 is 64 and then minus 3 into 3 which is minus 9. So 64 minus 9 is 55 and 55 minus 1 is 54. So our third element is 54. And similarly when we put n is equal to 4 we get our fourth element of set A which is 243. Now we will find the elements of set B which is equal to 9 in bracket n minus 1 such that n belongs to natural number. So again we will put n is equal to 1. So we get 1 minus 1 0. So 9 into 0 is 0. So our first element of set B is 0. Then we will put n is equal to 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 9 into 1 is 9. And then we will put n is equal to 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and 9 into 2 is 18. And then we will put n is equal to 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 nines are 27. And similarly on different values of natural number we will obtain our set B. So from set A and set B as you can see that in set A all the elements are multiple of 9. So from set A and set B we can say that A is a subset of B. And now our sixth question for today is if A equal to 2x such that x belongs to natural number and B equal to 3x such that x belongs to natural number, C equal to 5x such that x belongs to natural number, then find A intersection B, B intersection C and A intersection B intersection C. Now in first part we have to find A intersection B. So let student first find the elements of set A. As we know that x belongs to natural number. So on substituting the natural number we obtain our elements of set A. So 2 into 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and so on. And similarly student our set B is equal to 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9 and so on. So from here we have observed that A intersection B is 6, 12, 18 which is a multiple of 6. So we can write it as A intersection B is equal to 6x where x belongs to natural number. Now our second part is B intersection C. Now here first we will obtain our set B. So b is equal to 3x. So when we put x is equal to natural numbers, at x equal to 1, we get 3 ones are 3, and x equal to 2, we get 3 to the 6, and x equal to 3, we get 3 3s are 9. And for different values of natural number, we will obtain our set A. And then we will find set C, which is 5 into x, such that x belongs to natural number. Our set C is equal to 5, 10, 15, and so on. So from here, B intersection C is 15, 30, 45, and so on. So we have observed that B intersection C is multiple of 5. So we can write it as 15x, such that x belongs to natural number. And now practice this question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. Also, you have to do the third part of our question number 6.